What is up guys, welcome to software learning. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add IDM extension in your Google Chrome. So let's get started. So first you need to check this file in your, here you can see that you need to go to your Windows drive, programs, file and internet download manager. If you have this file, that name is idmgcext.crx, and crx is a extension file. And if you have this, so you don't need to follow these steps. So if you don't have this file in your IDM folder, so for this you need to download this file. So follow this link in description. I put this link in description. So here is a link of Softpedia. So I'm scrolling down and here is the IDM integration for Google Chrome. So I am simply click on download button and click on this Softpedia secure download, and downloading will be starting soon. So here you can see that you just click on keep, and here you can see that IDM gcext.crx. So now how to add extension in your Google Chrome. So click on these three dots and here go to more tools and click on extension, and here you can see that our all extension are installed here. Now simply click on this and drag it on here. So here you can see that add IDM integration module. So simply click on add extension, and here you can see that IDM is successfully added to your Google Chrome. Now you can download all of your files via here you can see that now you can download your files via IDM from Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.